Again, welcome to our YouTube channel, David the Hamster, for our daily cipher for today, June 23, 2024. Our daily cipher Morse code is pool. Pool. First letter is P, short, long, long, short. Short, long, long, short. And the second letter is O, long, long, long. Long, long, long. And the third letter is also O. It's long, long, long. Long, long, long. Last letter for the decipher Morse code is L. Short, long, short, short. Short, long, short, short. Here we can get the daily cipher Morse code 1M token. Please follow and subscribe, guys, for more updates, and also click the notification bell. Thank you, guys.